the best part of this travel is that we know more about the Irish culture, and it's so rich for us because we don't know about it. That in Ireland there are so many few people that speak that language, and it is so I don't know. We were going to the island of Aran, and there were two students that they were speaking Irish, and it is like incredible because it is so different than English.
Gainera, iruditu zaigu Euskal Herriarekin gauza komun asko dituela, ez dakit, horrek harritu gaitu. Eta bidaia honetan ikasitu gauza asko beste bidea mota batean ez genituenak ikasiko. Osea, padirekin, gure gidarekin, gauza ikeragarriak ikasi ditugu, beste bidaia mota batean ez genituenak egin. Eta oso kontentu gaude horrekin, bidaia zoragarri izan da guretzat.
And I think that the price of the competition, it was so good because it is about the culture, the Basque culture, and I think that it is awesome to do to learn more about Irish culture because it's like afford us more, and it is so good.
Nire iruditzen zait, Euskal Herrian gure kultura, gure hizkuntza askoz aberatsagoa dela hemen baino. Horregatik, gu bezalako taldeak hona etortzea ez da guretzako hona bakarrik bereientzako ere. Osea, bereien kultura pixkat gehiago garatzeko edo irikitzeko ere garrantzitsua da horrelako bisitak egitea, ez dakit. Nik uste bereientzako ere onuragarri izan daitekeela, eta guk primena pasa dugu.
And in other parts, they are similar, the Basque culture and the Irish culture, because we have the same problems. It's the use of the language. It was amazing to know about it.